Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame is really where you can see this move up as a perfect trend. High, low, high, low, high, low. No break of structure, no lower high, no reason at all to think that this move up is complete. We are at the 78%. Often that is an area of support or resistance in this case. But unless it takes out this low way here, we have to assume that any move we see to the downside could just be a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely did break on the 1 hour. We broke to the downside. So as soon as I see something like that, kind of like right here, we broke to the downside. First thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement on there. Then I would observe the market. I would wait patiently for it to play out some sort of a corrective pattern, preferably some sort of a three-wave corrective pattern down to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then golf and move to the upside for another long. As long as it doesn't take out this low right here, I will be definitely doing nothing but looking for longs, just like we've been doing all week long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.